Hello, this is a very cute story for little people. It's called The Creaky Noise and it is written and illustrated by Jane Cabrera, and it is a lovely Simon & Schuster publication. The Creaky Noise. This is Popcorn. She is driving down the hill through the hole in the fence. There she's going. And under the tree tunnel to see her best friend, Banana Bob. Hello, Bob. Hello, Popcorn. Look, I've got new shoes. They're lovely, says Popcorn. Come on, said Banana Bob. Let's go and play. We can march on the bridge. Hello, says Corma. Creak, creak. Hey, what's that noise? It must be this rickety old bridge, giggles Popcorn. Bye-bye, Corma, says Bob. We're going to do some cartwheels in the meadow. Hello, says Pancake. Creak, creak. Oh, I just heard a funny noise. Me too, says Popcorn. I think it's your tricycle. See you all later, Pancake, says Bob. We're going to catch blossoms in the orchard. Hello, says Chickpea. Creak, creak. Oh, what was that? Perhaps it's your branch creaking in the breeze, says Popcorn. Goodbye, Chickpea, calls Bob. We're going to jump in the sand pit. Hello, says Radish. Creak, creak. Did you hear that, Popcorn? Yes, says Popcorn. Do you think it's your creaky swing? Have fun, Radish, laughs Bob. We're going to crunch some carrots in the vegetable garden. Hello, says Nutmeg. Creak, creak. Oh, I wonder what that noise was. Maybe your wheelbarrow needs oiling, says Popcorn. Mustache, Nutmeg, says Bob. I'm going to juggle bananas for Popcorn. Creak, creak. There's that creaky creaking noise again, says Popcorn. Have you figured out what it might be? Oh, Bob, she laughs. It's your new shoes. Creak, creak, creak. Were you right? What a creaky day, yawns Popcorn. Creak, shh, creak, goes a gentle creaking hammock as it rocks Popcorn and Banana Bob to sleep. That's a cute story, isn't it? Until next time, ka kite.